Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety. Park, set the brake, and keep the car in accessory or run mode so the system stays active. Next, locate the Mazda commander knob or steering display buttons. These are your primary inputs. Once on the home screen, rotate or press to reach settings, then choose display or active driving display. You do this now because changing display behavior requires the system to be live and responsive. Once in the menu, prepare to modify brightness, position, and content options. Once in display settings, go to position or height to physically align the active driving display with your sightline. Use the plus and controls until markers sit within your natural view. Next, choose content to toggle which items appear: speed, navigation arrows, lane departure warnings, or adaptive cruise readouts, so only essential data shows. Then set brightness and contrast. Pick auto for daylight responsiveness or manual to lock a comfortable level. Make small adjustments and confirm visibility through the windshield. Finish by saving your settings and immediately take a short test drive to validate visibility at different seating positions and speeds. If the HUD seems off-center, return to position and fine-tune. If items overlap or disappear, use the Reset or Restore Defaults option to clear custom conflicts. If the display is blank or flickers, cycle the ignition and recheck connectors. Inspect fuses if comfortable. If problems persist, contact a Mazda technician. Electrical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.